Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can add your bank account on Wise. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you already have an account on Wise and already logged in. And now right after that, once you open it, you'll be able to see the interface or dashboard of the Wise on the screen, where you can see your profile name at the top right corner of this dashboard. Simply click on that option and now you can see the settings option at the second. So once you click on it, you'll be redirected to the settings section, and now you can see the connected account at the fourth. So you need to tap on that option and now scroll a little bit down and you can see the connect your bank account at the right side. So you need to click on that, and now you'll be redirected to another page where you can see the three options over here. First one is United States, second one is United Kingdom, and third one is Canada. And currently other countries are not supported for now, so you need to choose from here. So let me tap on the United Kingdom to show you a demo, and you will be redirected to another page where you need to scroll a little bit down and tap on the connect, and now you need to choose your bank from here. So let me click the first one, and now scroll a little bit down and now click on the connect to your bank. And if you want to edit again, then simply click on the edit and you'll be able to edit your bank account again. So now let me click on the connect to your bank, and I'll be redirected to the another page where I need to enter my credentials, banking credentials over here. Yeah, and once I verify myself by completing my credentials, then I'll be able to connect my bank account successfully in Wise. So basically this is how you can add your bank account on Wise, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.